Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Girja Saga. This is your friend Girja, and today we are diving into the spirit of new beginnings, fresh starts, and endless possibilities this new year. It's time to say hello to 2025. I believe every new year is like a blank slate, ready for you to paint your dreams, goals, and aspirations. My personal mantra for this year is focus on progress, not perfection. What's yours? Let me know in the comments below. तो हमने न्यू ईयर ईव 11 ना फ्लेवर्स ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप में मनाई और मैं आपको बता दूं ये रात सच में यादगार थी। वहाँ का माहौल, स्वादिष्ट खाना और आतिशबाजी सब कुछ लाजवाब था। याराना knows how to throw a party. As soon as we walked in, the energy was contagious. The decor was vibrant, the crowd was excited, and the music set the perfect tone for the evening. भाई मान गए, Yarana really knows how to create a party atmosphere.
On your table, on your table. Okay, people, so now a very warm welcome to Yarana. I'm your MC Monisha Charan of Izara, and I'm absolutely delighted to see all of you drunk, sober, happy, and standing, just the way I am. So, people, to begin with, let's say a quick warm up with everybody. So, everybody who's in here, just go around the room and say hi to each other with a big smile on your face and with your name. Can we have all that, please? Hi, people who aren't listening to me. Hello. Can we have you all going?
Monisha Charan lit up the evening with her incredible hosting skills, making every moment unforgettable. A dynamic leader and the director of Izara, she is an empowering life and a business coach with a remarkable career spanning fashion, events, and life skills over decades. याराना की ओनर अन्नू चतुर्वेदी यह सुनिश्चित करती हैं कि हर मेहमान इंडियन हॉस्पिटैलिटी का गर्म जोशी और रंगीन अनुभव महसूस करें। Alongside head chef Priya Joseph and Pavan, who masterfully designs the bar, they serve up delectable dishes and perfect cocktails.
And who not only creates outstanding dishes that you all enjoy so much, but does a lot of research and curates every damn dish that you eat, yeah? So if you better be nice to her, yeah, if you want more good food. So that's Priya for you. And now a little bit about the rest of the team. We have Sagar, who's been ushering us all in. I don't know where he is. We have Pavan at the bar, who's now going to make us domino show. A picture for Khan, who's kept us dancing all night. Yeah, Khan and his team. Come on, guys.
याराना में हमारा न्यू ईयर ईव इतना शानदार था। यह लाइवली एनर्जी, अमेजिंग खाना और इनक्रेडिबल एंटरटेनमेंट से भरा हुआ था। यदि आप परफेक्ट सेलिब्रेशन या शानदार भोजन और लाइव म्यूजिक वाली रात चाहते हैं तो याराना सबसे बेहतरीन जगह है। They even kept a best dress prize, and my husband won for the male category, while a gorgeous woman took home the prize for the female category. It was a fun addition to the celebration, recognizing the stylish flair of the guests.
Thank you for being such great people on the floor. Thank you.
The highlight of the evening was undoubtedly the entertainment DJ Khan. Faisala Khan's photographer worked tirelessly capturing the energy and joy through her lens. He had everyone on their feet with the beats pumping through the crowd, while Sunil added an extra layer of energy with his rhythmic beats on Indian dhol. It was a night filled with music, rhythm, and unforgettable memories. And of course, शानदार खाने के बिना कोई उत्सव अधूरा होता है। शाम में एक शानदार बुफे था जिसमें विभिन्न प्रकार के स्वादिष्ट स्नैक्स, लाजवाब डेजर्ट और ताजगी से भरे ड्रिंक्स शामिल थे। डिनर भी था जिसमें वाइन, कॉकटेल्स, प्रोसेको और मॉकटेल्स भी थे। ओह, सब कुछ वाकई में उच्चतम स्तर का था। And then came the countdown to 2025. The fireworks lit up the night sky in the dazzling display, marking the start of a brand new year with joy and excitement. माहौल में उत्साह चरम पर था। हर कोई बेसब्री से घड़ी में 12 बजने का इंतजार कर रहा था। As the first seconds of the new year unfolded, cheers and laughter filled the air. समझ सकते हैं ये एक नए आरंभ का उत्सव अपनों के बीच घिरा हुआ और आने वाले समय के लिए आशा से भरा हुआ। So, cheers to a new year, new beginnings and endless possibilities. See you in the next video. Happy New Year from Girija Saga. Let's make it unforgettable. If you want to stay updated with the latest beats and event news, make sure to follow DJ Khan on Facebook. You can explore more about Izara's stunning events and performances by following them on Instagram and Facebook. As for Yarana, don't forget to check them out for more amazing dining and party experiences. You can find them on Insta and Facebook link as well. I have added all the links in my description box. To all my incredible viewers, thank you for being part of my journey. Let's step into this new year with love, hope and positivity. Happy New Year!